started the business January 2020. And we specialise in sled dog experiences, husky rides and adventures in the forest. And there is nothing like this in Wales. Today we'll be training the dogs at home and we use a quad.
This is how I have to harness up the dogs, with a dog between my legs.
We're training for speed and we're also training for commands as well, so the dogs are listening to what I'm telling them and they're taking the direction I tell them to go. We've got lots of different types of customers. A lot of people, maybe families, who are looking for an outdoor activity to do in Wales. Adrenaline junkies. I've also done some work with the NHS as well recently with a secure mental health hospital. So that's really building confidence, mental well-being and giving them something really exciting to look forward to. They're dead friendly dogs, yeah, really friendly. They love people. They are very lively, very energetic, very loud. But they're great dogs, great to be around. And yeah, you can have a really great husky hug at the end of the adventures.
Hogging through. And his brother, he.
I didn't really know anything about running a business. The way Superfast Business Wales has helped my business is through digital workshops, analysis of our website, giving us SEO ideas and social media marketing workshops as well. It was great because I got to meet people who were in a similar situation and got to kind of bounce ideas off of them. I had a meeting with one of the advisors and they provided us with a report, and then I was able to take that away and then implement those on the website and social media. We've got just under 4,000 followers on Facebook and I think maybe 1,500 on Instagram. Based on the support we received, we have social media plans. We implemented a system on the website that's tiles, so people can click on to book. All of this is pretty invaluable for the business because it helps us reach more people. I would definitely recommend for people who are developing business. You know, the analysis that they do on your website, I think that's been really helpful because it just enables us to make improvements. And it helps you build confidence as well in what you're doing.